Corbus has grown tremendously. In 2014, when we were formed, there were just 3 of us, and I think we were launched with an investment of just $10 million. 4 years later, there's 65 of us. We have raised almost $130 million. We've also had, on top of that, $45 million in awards and grants, for example, from the Cystic Fibrosis Foundation, the NIH. And we have now moved offices 3 times as we grow and need to accommodate more people. We also started the company with no clinical data whatsoever. 4 years later, we have 4 separate programs that are in the clinic, including one which is now in phase 3. So the growth has been really exponential. And I think you're right, one of the greatest challenges we have has nothing to do with the development of our drug. It has to do with our growth as a company. How do we preserve our unique culture? How do we continue to attract top quality employees that can contribute to our growth, that in fact are essential to our growth? I'm happy to say that we've embraced that challenge. And I think so far we've been extraordinarily efficient in doing so. We've managed to preserve a very entrepreneurial, very startup culture while engaging in more and more complex tasks without becoming a culture which is very sort of large corporation or very static. We very much look forward to continue to do so. But yeah, we acknowledge that's a huge challenge, and it's something that we're very vigilant about. If we were to step back for a second and think about it, what's exciting about Lenabasum is that it's a first of its kind drug. There really hasn't been a novel drug focusing on inflammation for a very, very, very long time. The field is still dominated by 4 incredibly successful drugs, but that were all developed effectively 20, even 30 years ago. Lenabasum is progressing very quickly, and our vision is that as early as 2021, you would be able to pick up your prescription for Lenabasum, go to your local pharmacy, and receive Lenabasum for first 1, then 2, then 3, and then hopefully an ever-increasing number of typically rare, very serious inflammatory conditions. I think the transformative nature of that is genuinely very exciting, and that for us is something that every day makes us more and more committed to this project.